Welcome to the problem-based learning unit about GMOs, genetically modified organisms. This Glogster tool will be used to help you with your group work on creating the project. The project, as you notice here, is this assignment on the post-it that says create an educational tool about GMOs. The problem scenario for this problem-based learning unit is genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are in the food supply or in the supply of food we buy and eat, called genetically modified food. GM foods were introduced into our food supply in the 1990s. Many countries around the world have been restricting, banning, or regulating the distribution of GM foods. If the state or federal government becomes involved in monitoring GM foods, this will greatly affect the kinds of food available in your community. Create a compromise to address the current situation surrounding GM foods that considers the needs of your community, people buying and selling GMOs, the state or federal government, and anti-GMO groups. So you're going to create an educational tool that addresses a compromise and creates educational information for the community to get involved in resolving this problem and creating this compromise. So as you see here, this is where this video is going to be placed. There are some steps for success up here to guide your group. There are some links to get you started. So over here, the facts and concerns on a website called Non-GMO Project. There's a website link here for benefits for golden rice and a link to the resource page. So I'm going to click that now. And this will bring you to your resource page to help you with your project. And as you navigate through these different web pages, there will always be a way to get back to the assignment page, which are these arrows here. So these arrows will get you back where you need to go. So the resource page has some resources for you. Here you'll find a video on biotechnology, another word explaining how GMOs are created. These are some websites about genes and genetics and how that works. Here are some search terms to help you on your mission to understanding more about GMOs. This has a video from Dr. Oz, and here is the remaining videos that are connected with that particular episode. Here's a little video clip from King Corn, which is a great video that connects to GMOs. Here are some website links that will help you, so you can work together using Prezi. You can discuss topics. I'll post questions and you need to post answers here on Padlet. And there is a pre-visit Prezi. So this is a resource before we go on our field trip. And you can click that and look at what I have there for you to kind of get you oriented with what's going to happen on the field trip. Okay. So now I'm going to go to the schedule of lessons, which is right here. And the assignment page to go back is over here. So I'm going to go to the schedule of lessons, which is my next page for now. So as the title indicates, this is basically what we're going to be doing in class throughout, and so you know how to support yourself in your learning and your group's learning throughout. So here's the outline of lessons. I have an essential question for you, and then a little bit about what we're going to do each day. The DOL is the demonstration of learning that you will do. So it's either answering a question or doing a particular task that will help you demonstrate that you've learned that particular topic for that day. And as I said previously, these arrows help you go back to the assignment page. Alright, so here's a link to the Pun and Square Brain Pop. So when you can log into Brain Pop from there. And each lesson has a different kind of goal, and you'll be working throughout on your educational tool and creating your project. So this brings you to the next part, which is the assignments and rubrics. So it's going to show you exactly what you need to do and how you're going to be graded on it. You want to ensure you have a good internet connection, which I do not have right now, so this assignments and rubrics page is not loading appropriately. But essentially you'll have assignments due dates here, your expectations and grading here, This is your arrow to return back to where you were. And down here you have attachments, and I have attached the entire packet for you that you will also receive a printed copy of, which outlines all the same information, just a paper copy to support your learning and working with your group. If you have any questions about how to use this glog at any time, please let me know. We can return to the assignments page now, which is the initial page. And end that there. I hope this has been a helpful screencast in guiding you on how to use the Glogster. Please make sure to use it effectively to support your group learning, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, and have a good day.